Retail sales grew by a disappointing 2.4% year-on-year after expanding by 3.4% in the previous month. This was below market expectations of 2.5%. Both business and consumer confidence indices have plunged to 16-year lows. Analysts believe this indicates that the economy is still under pressure.
Those numbers, what they're telling us, it's an economy that's obviously under a bit of pressure. We know that we've got electricity crisis. The economy is not growing that well. There's job cuts as well. So it's not surprising that we saw that number, slightly lower than expected.
The Central Energy Fund projects that the petrol price will drop by 29 cents in August. This may bring minor relief for consumers, but it won't be enough.
Any drop in petrol price is always welcome. However, the impact of it, obviously, it depends on how big it is. We've had, beginning of this year, we came from the level where the oil price was sitting at a lower level. We had enjoyed all the reduction in the petrol price. But up to April, we saw all those benefits of a lower energy prices being captured or reversed, being completely taken by the government.
At the moment, emerging markets remain volatile due to the Federal Reserve Bank being vague as to exactly when they will hike rates and by how much.
The statements by Janet Yellen, who came yesterday to indicate that they're still on course to increase interest rates this year. So we've seen also the weakness in the rand, the rand depreciating. Those are some of the fundamental factors that we've got to be aware of. And of course, realistically speaking, it's very difficult to be optimistic when those factors are still in place.
SABC will meet next week to announce its stance on interest rates. However, economists are divided on whether the committee will raise rates for the first time this year. Colin Limone, SABC News, Johannesburg.